Now, one of the things that can change the look of your kitchen more than anything else is to change the look and style of your kitchen cabinets. Now, if you're doing a lot of alterations that may require relocating appliances or basically changing the layout of your kitchen, you may need all new kitchen cabinets, but here's a few other alternatives to change the look of the cabinets themselves. Now, these homeowners chose to replace all of the hardware. That's a very inexpensive, very do-it-yourself way to really change the overall look. They had a little trouble deciding on exactly what hardware they wanted, but they made a great choice. Another option is to replace all of your cabinet doors. You can take all of the doors, measure them, have a cabinet maker make all new doors for you, and then the installation there is fairly simple. Another option is one that's been very popular over the last few years, is to completely repaint all of the cabinets, and all of these ideas are great options. Although replacing hardware is a fairly simple process, you can save yourself some aggravation by removing a piece of your old hardware and taking it with you to the home center. Then you can match up the mounting holes between the old and the new to ensure a good fit. Door replacement is a great way to upgrade the look of a kitchen because it minimizes the time a kitchen is out of use, unlike the removal and replacement of an entire set of kitchen cabinets. While new doors aren't cheap, they are far less expensive than a complete set of cabinets, and the change out of doors requires much less labor. Painting is of course inexpensive and do-it-yourself friendly, but good preparation is a must to make paint last on kitchen cabinets. You have to remove all of the dirt and grease by cleaning them with a solvent first, followed by a light sanding. If the cabinets haven't been painted before, they'll need primer and more sanding before you can apply the finish coats. Here's a tip to minimize your brush strokes. Adding a paint conditioner to the finished paint will promote better adhesion and minimize the appearance of brush strokes in the finished product. I mentioned earlier these homeowners were having a little bit of a challenge trying to figure out exactly what hardware to use on their kitchen cabinets, and they did a smart thing here by buying a number of different knobs they were considering and hinges, and then they actually brought them home and installed them on their cabinets to see which one they liked the best. Not a bad idea, because you know how it is in the store. They always look a little bit different than when you actually get them installed.